Good morning, dear students. Today, in our chapter 6, we are going to study about prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization means there are several ways in which a given number may be factorized, broken into its factors. So, there are three methods through which we can get prime factors of a number. For an example, the number is 36. So what are the prime factors of 36? First of all, what are prime factors? Prime factors are those factors which are prime number. So how we factorize 36? 36 can be factorized as 4 into 9, 6 into 6, 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12. But this is a normal factors. Here we see that in all these cases either one factor is prime and the other is composite, or both the factors are composite. Is it possible to break 36 into factors which are all prime numbers? So, prime factorization method requires that all the factors of the given number are primes. So, 36 is equal to 2 into 18. That means 2 into 2 into 9. And for 9, it is 3 into 3. So, the prime factors means the numbers which are prime, and factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 means 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 3s are 36. These are all prime numbers. The factors of a number which are prime are called prime factors. So when a number is written as a product of its prime factors only, then it is called prime factorization. So the next method is prime factorization of a number using factor tree method. Prime factorization can be done by two methods, factor tree method and division method. So the first one is factor tree method. In this factor tree, we write the prime numbers as the factor of the given number. Like 36 is given, you can see here in this. So what are the two factors of 36? 2 18s are 36, then 2 9s are 18, and 3 3s are 9. So 18, 9 and 36 are composite number, but 2, 2, 3 and 3 are prime numbers. So for 36, the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now you can do it in this way also. 36 can be divisible by 3 also. 3 is also a prime number. So 3 12s are 36, 2 6 are 36, and 2 3s are 36. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. You can see that 2 times 2 and 2 times 3 is coming as a factor in this also. Another method is that 4 9s is 36. So for 4 2 2s are, and for 9 3 3s are. So that's why 2 2 3 3. And one more is there, that 6 6 are 36, 2 3s are 36, 2 3s are 36. So 2 into 3 and 2 into 3. You can observe that whichever way the factorization is done, you can see that the prime factors are the same for a given number. So by convention, the prime factors are listed from the least to the greatest. So the prime factors of 36 is least to the greatest, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now this work is given as an example. I am doing one more. Like 84 is given with 2 as a prime number, because 84 is an even number, so we can divide it by 2. So we know that 2 fours are 8 and 2 twos are 4. That means 2 into 42 is equal to 84. Then it is again a even number, so we can divide it by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. Now 21, for 21, 3 sevens are 21. So for 84, what are the prime factors? That is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. You can check it by multiplying these numbers as given over here. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 sevens are 84. In the same way, you need to do this 72 and 136 also. Now the another method is division method. In this division method, let us find prime factorization of 24, 36 and 45. So in this we use a scale to draw these lines, and in this we write the prime numbers over here, like 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 1. We will continue to divide the given number till we get 1, and then we write the prime factors in this way. For 36, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. For 45, 45 can be divisible by 5 also and 3 also. So 3 15s are 45, or you can write 5 9s are 45, then 3 3s are 9 and then 3 1s are 3, or 3 15s are 45, then 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So in this way you need to do your today's work. Thank you. Have a nice day.